The aims of the League are that the members of the League will fight against the Persians, first of all, to avenge what the Persians did to the Greeks, and secondly, to collect booty from the Persians to pay for the damage that the Persians did. So that is a part of the story. I think, of course, implicit, it didn't have to be said, that the primary motive must be to maintain, establish, I would guess, and maintain the freedom of the Greeks from Persian rule. Thucydides doesn't mention that, and some scholars have been misled into thinking that somehow that wasn't part of the story. Well, how could they do the rest of it if they didn't do that? These states were obviously in danger of being taken by the Persians. So their freedom had to be, the maintenance of their freedom had to be step number one. And surely that was clear in their minds. They agreed, as it was typical in Greek alliances, to have the same friends and enemies, common foreign policy. And to carry this forward, they all swore oaths. That's their form of signing treaties. They don't sign treaties, they swear oaths. Then they dropped iron, chunks of iron into the sea as a symbol that the treaty was to be perpetual. That is to say, it would last until the iron came up and floated on the surface. They knew that wasn't going to happen. So they are a standard kind of an alliance with a perpetual. I need to make the point that most Greek alliances that we hear of in this period are not. The Athenians and the Spartans in 445 make a 30 years peace. In 421, they make a 50 years peace. On another occasion, they make a 5 years peace. That's the way they do things normally. This is different. This is like the Greek League. This is a perpetual alliance.